If you look at the enterprise market right now, picking a CRM is about a lot more than just finding a digital Rolodex to drop your customer phone numbers into. You are essentially picking the main engine that keeps your whole operation running smoothly, stops different departments from moving in separate directions, and gives your reps what they need to land huge contracts without getting stuck in manual paperwork. That is exactly why we are dropping Freshsales and Odoo into a head-to-head matchup. We want to find out which system brings the actual growth power and heavy-duty performance that larger companies need to stay ahead of the game. To kick things off, we need to look at how daily users actually interact with these platforms, because even the most powerful software fails if the interface feels like a chore. When we dive into Odoo's interface, the design relies on an app-style ecosystem that presents small, individually labeled widgets directly on the homepage, resembling a smartphone screen. Each widget represents a distinct module like sales, inventory, or accounting, and because they are visually separated and clearly titled, navigating between completely different departments feels incredibly intuitive from the very start. Once you step inside any specific module, Odoo maintains a clean, consistent visual hierarchy that keeps your focus entirely on functionality without unnecessary design clutter. In contrast, if we look at Freshsales, the platform approaches user experience with a highly polished, modern design built specifically to reduce the learning curve for sales teams right out of the box. The interface trades the multi-app complexity of a full ERP for a streamlined, sales-first layout that prioritizes immediate visibility into your daily activities. Instead of jumping between disconnected operational modules, everything you need is organized to keep data accessible with minimal clicks. This makes Freshsales feel exceptionally fast to deploy and adopt across large sales floors, whereas Odoo requires a bit more intentional setup to configure the perfect layout for your specific organizational structure. Moving forward from initial navigation, the true measure of a CRM lies in how it structures customer relationships and visualizes active revenue. When we manage contacts in Freshsales, the platform stands out by offering a comprehensive 360-degree view of every single person and account. This means you aren't just looking at basic names and phone numbers. You see a complete chronological history of every email sent, every call logged, and even real-time interactions with your corporate website. To keep this visual tracking smooth, Freshsales utilizes a clean digital board where we can monitor deals moving through custom stages with a simple drag and drop motion. This visual pipeline makes it easy for teams to spot which high-value contracts are sitting still for too long, turning red or giving us an automated nudge when a deal is stuck. Plus, its weighted pipeline feature automatically calculates closing probabilities based on the current stage, giving management a highly realistic view of expected quarterly revenue. Simultaneously, Odoo handles relationship management by tightly linking its contacts to a broader, robust database, where every profile connects directly to inventory, billing, and project tasks. When you view a contact in Odoo, it starts with a clean layout of the essentials, but expanding the view reveals advanced enterprise fields like tax ID numbers, assigned sales reps, and custom organizational tags. Odoo's sales pipeline system is uniquely structured to give you absolute control over complex sales operations. By default, it populates your board with standard stages like new, qualified, proposition, and won, but you are completely free to add, rename, or reorganize these stages to map out intricate enterprise sales cycles. Inside the pipeline, each opportunity receives an AI-generated probability score that evaluates past data and historical behavior patterns, giving you a calculated, data-backed prediction of your forecasting success. Taking a step into the more advanced side of things, modern enterprise CRMs must handle the heavy lifting through artificial intelligence to keep teams efficient. When we evaluate Freshsales, their AI Agent Studio is a massive standout asset because it allows organizations to build custom AI-powered bots to manage front-facing customer engagement. You don't need a background in advanced coding to use it. The platform provides a visual builder where we define how the AI behaves and answers complex questions using our internal knowledge base. These agents can handle multi-turn conversations, meaning they remember context from several sentences ago, which keeps customer interactions natural and responsive 24/7. Furthermore, Freshsales utilizes Freddy AI to auto-enrich contact profiles by instantly pulling company sizes, social media accounts, and industry details from just an email address, eliminating manual research for your sales reps. Meanwhile, Odoo approaches artificial intelligence by embedding smart automation directly into your daily operational workflows. Rather than focusing entirely on external chat agents, Odoo features Odoo Bot, a built-in helper designed to guide your internal team through complex tasks and system configurations. If an employee runs into an operational snag or a pipeline rule is unclear, Odoo Bot steps in with proactive suggestions and walks them through the correct sequence of actions so no one is left guessing. This internal AI works in tandem with Odoo's predictive deal scoring algorithms that continuously analyze historical ecosystem data to flag pipeline anomalies and keep forecasting models accurate across multiple business segments. Freshsales essentially gives you a round-the-clock digital assistant for your prospects, while Odoo focuses on maximizing internal process efficiency. Of course, all of this sales and automation activity is only useful if leadership can measure the results through clear data. When we look at the reporting tools in Freshsales, they are incredibly powerful yet easy to digest without a data science background. The centralized dashboard gives executives a real-time snapshot of critical metrics, including exact conversion rates, average sales cycle lengths, and individual team performance numbers. Freshsales layers smart insights directly over these charts to predict which enterprise accounts are safest and which deals carry the highest churn risk, allowing sales managers to intervene before it's too late. Furthermore, Odoo matches this analytical depth by pulling data from every single corner of your business ecosystem, not just the sales floor. Because Odoo seamlessly connects its CRM with accounting, manufacturing, and inventory apps, its dashboards let you build highly customized cross-departmental reports. You can track the exact financial cost of acquiring a customer against the real-time stock levels required to fulfill their contract. This unified data engine allows large enterprises to generate deep, multi-layered visual dashboards that map long-term corporate health and inform massive strategic budget shifts based on hard evidence. Freshsales excels at providing the immediate strategic why behind your current sales figures, while Odoo delivers a massive company-wide data engine for total operational transparency. So, at the end of the day, it's not about which one is better in general. It's about which one fits the way you already work or the way you want your business to grow into. That was all. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to share your experience in the comments.